So, guys, can you hear me now? My name is Tom. All right, so finally I can hear myself. Right, so working today with a new microphone. It's not new, but I before I'd been using another one. Now, anyways, well, first of all, I would like to welcome today in our trading session. It is the 15th of December. We are just 15 days away from 2023, the next year. What will it bring to us? Oh wow, it's very difficult to even predict, to even forecast. Now, we are living during very turbulent times, and so many news, so much is happening every day, and it's just pretty much almost impossible to even track this news and to see even even to tracking major news. I have this so in this Telegram messenger. I have this news channel which I like to read where I get information from, and basically it's just 200 messages per day. It's just how much, like 20 messages per hour, and all these news, they seem to be important and they seem to affect my life. Now they don't, and I think we are just living in this information overload time frame. But anyway, life is life, so we gotta carry on. The show must go on. Now, guys, since we are approaching the end of this year, I would like to hear or to read. So I will basically read, and I will also read them out loud. You can leave some messages in our chat, and you can share your thoughts. You can share your thoughts regarding trading, regarding your trading progress this year. Have you made any progress? Has anyone made some progress this year? How has your trading been? Any improvements? Any new difficulties? Any new challenges? Because eventually, as a trader, you must progress. So if you don't progress, then it means that you're doing something not correct, and you need to adjust. You need to adapt. So I would say like trading is all about evolution. It's all about evolving as a person. It's all about evolving as a trader. And one last thing which I would like to remind you is that before you start making big profits, you need to learn how to not lose funds, because like once at first you learn how to save your money, and then eventually once you've learned to do that, you start making profits, because by that you have already taken care of your losses, and now it's time to take care of your profits. Now, that is Olymp Trade showing payment failed but money debited from bank account. Occasionally this happens on a, well, I would say pretty rare case, probably 1 out of 50 or 1 out of 100 times. And always, in this case, you need to contact customer support and they will help you with that. And 99.9% of such cases, they are successfully investigated by our billing department, and this money is returned to your account. So don't worry about that. Your money will not be lost. We will find your deposit, which is temporarily failed in the failed status, and we will credit this amount into your account. Now, guys, right. I would like I said, any questions, testimonials, connotations, everything is very much welcome in this webinar. Now, let me go ahead and start trading. Right. So, my trading strategy today. So, it's supposed to be Himanshu, but I'm helping him. So, my name is Thomas, for those who don't know me. And today's strategy is going to be a strategy called confrontation, as it says in the title of our today's webinar. So the simple, very easy process. We go here, we click technical analysis tab, we go instrument list, and we open up confrontation strategy. So we start typing confrontation. Here it is. We press enable, and and here it is. Now, what is this strategy? So this strategy is a trending strategy, which consists out of three indicators. And so this green histogram and this red histogram, they're basically two sides of the same coin, and they're called bull's power and the bear's power and the bull's power indicators. And they basically tell you which trend or which sentiment currently prevails on the chart. So it can be bearish sentiment or it can be bullish sentiment. So in this case, how do we work with this case? So we have three layers of confirmation with this strategy. Layer of confirmation number one is bear's power, bull's power. Bear's power is the second one, and the last one is the parabolic SAR. So let me go ahead and find some signal, and I will explain to you how to basically get how to read them. All right. The Euro USD is already at 1.07, huge. This is huge. Now, guys, let me go ahead and start with my first chart. Yeah, first trade. Okay, let's open up a trade on the pound against the US dollar. So we have this old friend called the cable, nicknamed cable. So this is the Great Britain pound against the US dollar, and what is the signal here in this strategy? So according to the confrontation strategy, we have the following signal here. Well, first of all, we need to have a look at the parabolic SAR indicator, and we use its basic form of analysis. So we follow the signal from it. So, and the signal is as follows. So we have these parabolic dots under the chart, and so that is an up signal according to the parabolic SAR. Next, we have the bull's power signal, and here basically we have just, so once again, like we did on Tuesday, during that webinar, so the Safari strategy webinar, basically we have two oscillators, and to get a signal from these oscillators, we need to find the moment when both of these histograms look or are situated above the middle line. So we have this zero line, which is the middle line here, and we need to have a moment of time. We need to find the moment of time when both of them look upwards. So like in this example, they both look upwards. We have this middle line, and yeah, that is pretty much the signal for an up trade. And here we can open a trade in the downwards direction based on the signal from the parabolic parabolic SAR above the chart. It means bearish pressure, and the both oscillators in this strategy are looking downwards, so they point downwards, and well, basically that is the signal from this strategy. So three layers of confirmation. We need to find the moment when all these three indicators, their combined signal looks downwards. Yeah, so on the contrary, I would like to point out to a situation where there is no signal, like in this example here. So Europe Composite Index, there is no signal because, yes, the parabolic SAR and the bear's power, they indicate a down signal, whereas the bull's power indicator points an up signal. So we don't want that controversy, so we skip that signal. And I can now open a trade on the pound again. So that is another signal because the conditions are still there. The parabolic SAR confirms uptrend, and the bear's power together with the bull's power, they both are situated above their middle lines, and that is also an up signal with this strategy, guys. So any questions, any thoughts about this strategy? And yeah, another signal came from LATAM index. So yes, LATAM signal down trade, the parabolic SAR above the chart, and these two histograms are also under the chart. So guys, any questions, any thoughts about your trading year? So any improvement, any, or maybe someone, some people might have an opposite situation where maybe your previous year was better than this one. It's difficult to say. Wow. And so Oasis index, an up signal on Oasis index. So pointing upwards. Kahwa. All right, even though this index is a little bit oversold, maybe a little bit too much, I still feel that there might be potential for this trade, and it can keep sliding further down. So we have this signal from the parabolic SAR here, and the both oscillators, they also point in the same direction. So that is why I've opened a trade in the downward direction. I do not have the LATAM index. So, guys, once again, I would like to remind you that we have a number of so basically we have a certain number of assets which are only available in certain parts of the world. So these LATAM index, BRAS index, and I think CAFINA index, these indices are only available for Latin America, and they're not available for other parts of the world. And also Arabian General Index, Oasis Index, and Kahwa Index. These three indices, they are also so they are only available for the MENA region, so Middle East, North Africa region, and also these so Munch, Mahajantar, and Astro Index. These three indexes are only available for traders from India. Right, let's see how this trade closes on the pound. Okay, so closes with a profit. Shall we risk it? Shall we try for another trade here? Okay, so it's already pushing north. Okay, we'll see. Oh, wow. LATAM index a reversal. Yeah, that was a trap for me. Bear's trap. So probably, yeah, that trade will just probably not close with a profit. Okay, I'll try basic dollar index, another trade in the downwards direction, even though we have gone a little bit too far without any pullbacks, and I kind of don't like opening those trades when we have gone down so much, but at the same time I'll just open it just because the signal from the strategy is there. So why not why not take advantage of this signal? Now, what is up with my Oasis index trade? So, wow. So this might be a reversal. So just 5 seconds to go on this one. Is it going to be a miracle? All right. So miracle is not about to happen. Oh no, it happened. Wow. Nice. Okay, guys. Wow. Opening quote. Wow, I could have won even. Huh. Okay, so it's tricky. Okay, guys. Flat market protection. So why did my trade close with a refund without profit, even though despite my opening quote is lower than the closing quote and the difference is by 1 pip? Well, basically because this happened because my I currently have flat market protection mode enabled on my platform, on my trading. And this flat market protection, it basically protects me from trades which close with a 1 pip difference. So, but it works two ways, right? It protects me from negative trades that could open with one 1 pip difference against me, and at the same time the flip side of this coin is that basically these So this mode of trading, this mode of like this flat market protection mode, basically protects you from losing trades, but it also, in case you have a difference in your favor by 1 pip, it also basically it excludes those trades also from your profitable ones, so you get a refund. So yeah, like there is also a little bit of a negative side to it. So it protects you from those annoying 1 pip trades that close with 1 pip difference, but against you. But also the flip side of this situation is that it also won't let you profit from those trades if the difference is only by 1 pip. Okay. So everyone gets to decide whether they like it or they don't, and based on your experience you can see whether to enable this mode of trading or to not enable it and to leave it as it is. Okay, so let me go ahead and try opening multiple trades here on commodity composite index. The signal is there, a strong signal from the bear's power indicator, and also a pretty strong significant signal from the bull's power. So all these 3 indicators are aligned in the same way, and they 3 layers of confirmation are there. So, and this might we currently might be in the beginning of the, wow, why is it so blurred? Just so blurred. Okay, okay, so let's hope that this chart goes down. Can you give $10 in my Olymp Trade account to start trading? No, unfortunately, I cannot. And well, in fact, that is well, it doesn't work like this. So instead of, I mean, like probably anyone can afford $10 in their account, first of all. But then second of all is that when you get like say free cash for something, you just don't treat this money as your say hard-earned money, and you won't trade, you just won't care so much about your trade results. So it's very important, and it also concerns, it also regards, it's also regarding to demo trading. When you stay a little bit too much in your demo account, you just start treating your trading like a game. Yes, that is the right word. Like you just start treating your trading as a game. You just don't, because you are not afraid. It's like, you know, if you are, so fear is an inevitable part of our human character, because without fear, what would happen in the savannah? We just see a lion, a man sees a lion, and the man like, oh yeah, it's a lion, I don't care, and this lion eats that person. So fear is inevitable. Fear is a way of getting feedback from, well, from the world around us, from the universe. And so what is the parallel between this and trading? So the parallel is simple. When you stay too much in your when you stay too much trading demo account, eventually you become fearless, and most importantly become careless. And when you eventually switch to um, real money trading, it now becomes a very difficult process for you, because you've learned how to not care about your results. So because every day you're like, okay, even though I might lose some money today, but it's my demo account, it's my demo money, so who cares, right? So that is a little problem with trading a little bit too much in your demo account. Right, I made more than 100,000 USD demo account, and dollar is very expensive in my country. Well, that is what I'm talking about. So virtual, it's like playing a game, right? You know, we all played say GTA, or we all played Need for Speed, and you know, other computer games, and there you have a car, right? You can buy an expensive car, but is it a real car? Like, can you really take this car into real world? So the same thing occurs with trading. You just don't care. You just become pretty much desensitized to your trades. Okay, so let me. It's like so yeah. If you treat trading as a fun activity, then eventually you can keep trading just pretty much probably forever on your demo account, so it doesn't matter. But if you want to make real money, you need to invest real money, and you need to, and I mean, like, no one's pushing you to make reckless trades of like just investing your all your deposit in one trade. No, you need to be totally like uh, careful about your caring about your money, about your account. But and the only way to do that is to really learn sometime like trading on live account. Yes, there are no shortcuts. It's that is how psychology works. Alrighty, so 10 seconds on gold, and wow, it's on the no, hold on, why did it close with the profit? Hold on, okay. Oh wow, that was a quick. Oh wow, nice. I didn't even see this drop. Okay, let me see. Let me watch this closely. Oh, so there was a rapid. Okay, nice, nice, and the difference was 2 pips. Nice. Wow, so I'm on the lucky side of trading today as well. So what happened on Tuesday repeats today. Wow, I'm not complaining, guys. And also I had this uh, one mistake I made yesterday is so I was doing my things in the evening and I totally forgot about my trade here on the yen. And wow, I only made, well, basically I have not taken from the table, from the trading table, like 1,000, more than $1,000, and that was a bummer. Like, I'm like, in the morning I open up my trading platform, I'm like, oh wow, I totally forgot about my trade, and I didn't put my stop loss closer to, so I didn't adjust. All right, so that was a little bit problematic. Okay, commodity composite index. Let's open up one more trade because I think we are just making a pullback, but this is, in my opinion, one of the best formations. Like when the price goes down and then the price makes a pullback, a little reversal, and then we can right off of this reversal, we can open a few more trades. So that is basically another opportunity to open up more trades. Okay, so I'm hoping that it will play out as I just explained to you. Now, Arabian General Index. Yes, let's try. So we still have time. I think we can keep trading for another 10 minutes or so. Yeah, that's why I opened a few more trades here. Okay, where did you learn to trade? Well, I basically learned from trial and error. During my first days, my first months in trading, I attended a few trading classes. Um, um, I was practicing. I was practicing a lot. I was reflecting on my trades. I would, do my trading journal. I watched some video courses. Basically, I took all any. I was like trying to get as much information as I could. I mean, like, I now I have to try and remember all those classes, all those I need to recall all those classes and everything that I've attended during my first year in trading. But that was a lot. I mean, like a few forex courses, a few stock trading courses. Then I worked. I attended this a few online courses and a few offline courses. I worked for I worked briefly for one trading company, for one proprietary proprietary trading company, and then I worked for a few other companies. So, like I say, there aren't any shortcuts, unfortunately. That is all hard work and trial and error. You just learn, um, you just go and learn. You try to get information from like anywhere you can, and eventually that pays off. I mean, would say I'm pretty financially free at this point of time. Like, I mean, I don't own a yacht. I'm not like a this billionaire millionaire, but I can have a pretty good life, and I don't have to, when I go to a restaurant, I don't have to look at the price first. I look at the meal which I want, not at the price. Not I don't care that much how much it costs. um, so I'm not at this level when you have a private yacht or a private jet, but still, it's a pretty liberating feeling when you can just ignore those most of price tags. So where do you recommend me to do that? Just anywhere. Now I think so. During the times when I was learning and trading, the problem was where to get information, because there wasn't that much information available, even on the internet. I'm talking about 2000, 11, 20, 2013. Now, the situation is different. We are overwhelmed by information. There is information overload, and that's a difficult one to answer. In fact, I would say try not to learn too many things at once. Try focusing. I mean, like, just basically learn from our videos. So see, I mean, I'm doing my trades live. It's not a recorded video. It's not an edited video. We just have a 2-3 second delay between you and I, between me and the broadcast that is broadcasted onto YouTube. So just try, pick one trading strategy and trade according to the strategy for maybe 1, 2, 3 days, and then check your results. See how. I mean, like, in fact, like, when it comes to trading, to the world of trading, in order to make money, you don't have to be, like, the smartest person in the room. You don't need to learn. You don't need to know all these, 50 indicators, all forms and shapes of the Heikin-Ashi candlestick, the doji, also all these Japanese candlesticks. It doesn't have to be like that. You just need some basic stuff. Start with one strategy, see how it works. Okay, it doesn't work. Okay, switch to another strategy. While doing this, you will also learn a few technical patterns on the way. So it's all about gradual process, I think. Start reading books, but don't be in a rush. So that is probably some of the biggest problems and some of the biggest errors in your trading career is when you start rushing your education process. So when you so instead of doing everything in a nice and slow manner, in your pace, you just start having this urge to make money tomorrow, or even today, or even yesterday. And that is a major problem, because people who don't follow, um, who just, I mean, like, don't push yourself. I mean, like, it's not, so trading is a marathon, it's not a race. That is a very common expression which we like to repeat. Oh wow, nice, nice, nice. Okay, so the euro is also keeps pushing down. Wow, guys, I don't know what's happening. I mean, am I dreaming or something? But I can see I've made like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so many trades closed. And it's not like mostly a 1 pip difference. It's a pretty legit difference in between opening price and closing price. So yes, yes, correct. Okay, okay. Now it's a little bit of a little bit of losing trades coming up, I think. Arabian General Index. Okay, so we are still 1.5 minutes away from closing. Sir, please show all your accounts capital. What do you mean by all accounts capital? Well, first of all, yeah, I don't really understand what you mean by accounts capital. But secondly, is of course your trading and my trading as well. It's all about privacy, right? And I don't want. Like I'm a person. I do not want to, I'm not selling you a trading course. It's for you. You can either take it or you can take it or leave it. If you, everything is happening in real time. That is the number one, I think, like fact, which confirms that this way of trading, this strategy works. I mean, it's not an edited video. You can compare the quotes. You can compare the yeah, but I just don't want to, like say, clicking on my accounts and showing all my deposits, withdrawals. No, I think it's it's private information. So of course no one wants to share that. And I just don't feel it's necessary, because what is it going to prove? Because I'm talking about this strategy, and if I showed you that other sources, that would just be not relevant at all. Okay, so 10 seconds. Come on, drop a little bit. Wow, nice, nice. How much more lucky can I be, guys? I don't know. It's wow. Okay, so this is totally going to be a profitable trade here. Asia Composite Index, I hope, unless there is a sharp price reversal. One forex analysis, please. Yes, is anyone following my trades today? I just wonder. So forex analysis. Let's do some Bitcoin. No, not Bitcoin, probably. Well, yeah, why not? So Bitcoin, right? So 4-hour time frame. So from the $17,000 mark, we went all the way up to 18, so almost 18.5 thousand, and now we're dropping to 17.5 thousand. That is making a pullback, and yeah, so that is a moment where we can open a trade. So yeah, I think Bitcoin, a trade on Bitcoin, an up trade on Bitcoin is probably would be a pretty good trade right now. What about Brent? So Brent is trading, well, probably trading a little bit too high already. So I would probably skip that. So yeah, definitely I would trade Bitcoin, and but also I think it's about time to short sell the euro against the US dollar, because I think the euro will very likely lose some value against the US dollar. So yeah, the euro USD. Yes, I made profits on commodity composite index. Nice. I have made $200 now for this session. Wow, that is a sweet result. I think I'm also close to $200 in profits, like 154 to be exact. Right now, I've taken note of my. I took note of how much I had in the beginning of this trading session. All right, guys. This one is going to be my last trade for today. So let me calculate my trades, and we can see have I beaten the score of Tuesday? Probably not, because I've had more losing trades, but still. So one, okay, I will exclude this one. So I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 losing trades, and so 5 losing trades, and 1, 2, four refunds. I also exclude that first one, and well, basically I had 27 profitable trades. Nice result, nice result, guys. That gives me okay. So today is a more 27 profitable trades out of okay. So let's not count those refunds. So it's 84% profitable trades, and one more trade will be closing in a few seconds. Okay, guys. So wow, almost $200 in profits. I hope you liked this trading session, and I hope that you at least followed some of my trading advice, and you opened some trades, at least some trades, because well, as you can see, I did everything live. So feel free to leave your comments and leave your comments also below the video. And if you like the strategy, you can also hit the like button. And well, what else should I say? I will probably see you next Monday. So with the market review, analysis on Monday, and also we have 2 trading sessions planned for the next week. So guys, if you don't have any questions, I will probably stop here. You can watch this video over and over again, and most importantly is that I really urge you to stick to practice. So trade, learn, analyze, reflect on your trades, do your trading journal, conduct a trading journal. These things will take you far ahead of all the competition out there. So we all compete with one another, we all compete with different traders out there. And in order to be ahead of the competition, to stay ahead of the competition, all those things you need. Yeah, it's all about learning. It's all about it's like Napoleon, right? So while he didn't go to all the balls, but instead he would learn. So well, first you learn in trading, and then it eventually pays off. Wow, Eliakim, that is a fantastic result. 24 profitable trades and lost 5 in this session. So $215 so far. Nice, nice. That is a tremendous result. I hope you are proud of yourself. So don't, just don't be intoxicated by this result. Stay calm, stay focused, and just continue trading. Do it in a relaxed manner, do it calmly, and more success will come. Thank you, guys. This is it for today. My name is Thomas, and I will see you next week. Have wonderful profits and have wonderful trading career. Bye-bye.